Kia ora whanau. So after my very exciting video yesterday about having our factory set up and everything being up and running, at 8:15 this morning we had a tornado that so happened to run past our block of factories, including our factory. And yeah, so the damage is pretty dire actually. So I'm going to show you just what kind of a setback this is. So our bins has been knocked out, our roller door has been a giant hole that we need to patch up today. That's a flashing from one of the roofs over there. One has been blown out a little bit, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. So if we come in here, this beautiful factory that we've just set up yesterday now looks like, looks like this. We have half a roof missing, but of water leaked out onto our CNC machine that we moved aside. Our racking that we've had just installed yesterday slightly bent. We need to figure out where to replace it. Pretty much water everywhere, water everywhere. The tornado has pulled a couple of beams along, so now that roof is pretty much, the water's leaking straight down into our showroom space. Upstairs, a little bit minor, but it's a bit of a pain. The roller door is pretty much gone. There's water everywhere. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This has been so long in the making, and we have just, basically, look at this. Look at this beautiful skylight that we have. Look at this beautiful skylight. You know, want some natural air. Here we go, here we go. Our machines are not too bad. We hope. The key machines are not too bad. Our CNC might be a bit screwed, but we've just done a bit of moving, and pretty much everything's got a layer of dust and dirt and rust and oh my goodness. What can you do but laugh, really, eh? And yeah, I guess we're pretty gutted. Excuse my language, pretty fucking gutted. And yeah, what can you do but laugh? And look, it's not going to mean the end of us. It's going to be setback. It's going to be another long setback after 3 long months. Probably going to have another 2 long months ahead of us, depending on how fast the contractors can actually fix up the factory via insurance. No words. Anyway, give you an update. It's like this high that we had yesterday, experienced yesterday, and now we're just, pretty much down to a massive low. We had projects and stuff for the factory that lined up that we really need to get out the door, but now everything's up in the air again. One day it'll be a great chapter for the book, eh? Another making of video to the world's, dare I say, first circular plastics innovation lab factory. Buzzword. Give you an update. Okay, so we've had the racking installed today, and it finally feels like a performing lab, a performing factory. Got our new electric forklift, and we can actually lift heavy stuff. That's amazing. It's the things that helps. A racking we have there. This area here will be our sort of recipe space for recycled plastics. And then if we kind of walk towards this way, it's going to be our 2 sort of labs of workbenches where we can finish and design and test prototype products. We got these way to get racking secondhand, as with any startup. You got to make do. So this whole channel, this whole space, open space here, basically we'll have tools and experiment and little machines that we can sort of run little material design bits and pieces. And up there, some more finishing racks. On the other side of that is where we're going to have all our sheets come. I'll walk you through this again. So if we come back on this side, once the product comes and gets finished, the forklift will load up all the finished panel products all the way up here. So it's going to be a rainbow colored, all sorts of beautiful materials out of recycled plastics. And through here, this part is probably still going to be a bit more prototypical, but we're going to eventually have conveyor systems and bits of tech that can reduce plastics down to the size and material that we need. Our 2 tech at the back is finally set up, where we can take, and there'll be some kind of conveyor system that will move them both in between. Eventually these shells will be filled up top of raw materials in different bags, so that will be really cool. And the material will go, molds will go here, processed, manufactured, and if I just come around there, all this will be gone actually, so this will all be open. We'll have some kind of a product packing station, a finishing station here. Bit of a mess, but we're getting there. And then, yeah, basically the molds, finished molds will go there and jump onto that machine, our CNC machine, to be made into products or prototype into products. Yeah, have a little tool storage-ish area. So it's all coming together slowly but surely. Basically, all the stuff that could have gone wrong with our factory setup have. So there's nowhere else to move but up from where we're standing in. And yeah, it's today's been a really special day because it kind of just marks one of the milestones that we've had of seeing progress, of seeing sort of this dream we have, seeing our mission of really wanting to put a dent in ending plastic pollution coming alive. Yeah, so I'm really excited to be able to share this journey with you guys. And once it's all up and running, we are planning some kind of an event where we can invite people and whānau and friends and community and people that we've had the fortune of working with over the years, or that we know of, just to come and celebrate with us together. So we'll let you know when that happens. Yeah, so kia ora team, and ka kite.